Hi, everyone. I'm Caitlin Infantino. I'm the co-founder and CRO of Blue Sarah. Um, and today I want to invite you to think about how e-com could be better for everyone, from the customer experience through the brand experience. Quickly, Quickly, I want to introduce our team. George Manley serves as our CEO. He draws an extensive experience in CPG sales, fundraising, and property development management. His background has equipped him with a strong financial acumen and a sharp ability to navigate complex contract negotiations. Tim Owen is our CTO. He's got a deep background in predictive modeling and machine learning. Tim built a successful software company called Data Robot from the ground up. It's now at about a $7 billion valuation. Data Robot enables everyone from larger enterprise customers to smaller business owners to effectively build their own predictive modeling. Tom spent many years at Saks Fifth Avenue as GMM, and Catherine Havasi is a former MIT PI, and on our advisory board, she's done something um, with customer feedback in the CPG space as well. Oh, I suppose I should tell you about myself for a minute. I have a background in the shoe industry, but I really sort of cut my teeth in the startup world, selling foam to shoe companies from everybody from Nike to Jimmy Choo. So, a quick story. This is how Blue Sarah came to be. It's birthday season in our house, a couple of kids, and I'm just trying to buy one simple thing, towels with ears and tails, and I've got 5 web pages open to do it. Um, our e-com activity is spread out all over the web. So even if you do get it done, you've got emails coming into your inbox one after another, trying to figure out, where your shipping's coming from. There's counterfeits coming in. I just spoke to a guy who returned $2,000 worth of light bulbs. And consumers and brands want an alternative to Amazon. So, I didn't like the product search results. I didn't like how I had to get it if I didn't want to just buy from Amazon. I wanted to put one towel from the company store and one towel from Pottery Barn into one cart and check out. So talked with a bunch of people about this and did a ton of product research. There's 81 billion views on hashtag shop small. There's a subreddit with 3.2 million people for buy it for life. There's all these different factions on the internet looking for an alternative way to shop. Here's the solution. With AI, we can offer fast, intelligent, personalized search results. We can eliminate counterfeits. We can allow you to keep multiple carts in one place and check out from multiple stores with the click of one button. We've put ads in a silo so that you can go there when you want to use them to be inspired to find something different. But when you're searching for something, all of that is driven by your preferences and your search activity. And then obviously it's voice controlled and completely intuitive. So I'm going to show you a quick demo. Can you hear it?
Dare to imagine your customers shopping online in a new world of product search results. Let me show you how. Your customers will be shown your brand and your products exactly when they're looking to buy them. There are no paid promotions in this part of the app. The customer drives the discovery. Customers will be able to find your products in store too. These are the carts where customers can build and save all of their shopping projects from all over the internet in one place. When the customer checks out, your brand receives 100% of the margin, and your brand is the merchant of record. Because our customers understand that the inspiration tab is only for ads, Your marketing content will meet your customer they're wanting to be sold to. They're in the mood to window shop. By sharing your ads with friends, your customers make inspiring marketing and products they love go viral. They can purchase right in the app where you still receive 100% of the margin. Adding content to Bluesera is free during our beta. Easy because we accept the same formatting as Meta. At Bluesera, we love the hardworking and creative designers, engineers, and marketers who bring us the products that so enhance our lives. We want to put the customers and the brands back in control. Join our free beta, and together, let's create a new solution.
So here's what we need now. We're calling on all industries, from shirts to pants to hammers to Bose headphones. We'd love for you to join our free beta and upload your meta formatted ads to our inspiration tab. It's free, and it's going to be free for at least the next 6 months is what we're thinking. Please connect to our APIs and upload your in-store, online, and wholesale account inventory. We can connect your APIs as well if that's more convenient, if you want to give us permission. That will save us compute and help with, timing, latency. And then, integrate for a faster, seamless checkout, and give the Bluesera bot permission. That's what we need.
Thank you, Caitlin. So let me ask you, how are you different from any other e-com marketplace?
100% of the sale goes to the brand every time. We put your ads in front of people who are looking to see them. In the beginning, when the customer first comes, everything they see is driven by their preferences, what we already know about them and what they're looking for that day. So we can deliver better search results that aren't all paid promotions. So it'll drive your customers to the correct products much more efficiently. And then when they're looking to be sold to, they'll go to our inspiration tab and enjoy your marketing. Zero paid promotions in that first part of the app. And then, I think what really makes us different is that we're a service to the customer and the brand. It's a completely different economic setup than anything that's out there today.
Yeah. And so tell us a little more about how the brands can integrate.
Initially, we'll be scraping all CPG websites for products and product attributes. The best way to integrate is to, first of all, give our bot permission. And then we welcome the opportunity to connect to your APIs so we can grab your product catalog. And, you can advertise directly with us.
Okay, and one final question as we wrap up. What is your business model and the revenue stream?
Yeah. We charge our customers $5 to check out from any cart. So as you saw, like if you're, shopping for your kids back to school, you could put, pants from Zara, underwear from Lucky and Me, pajamas from Gap, all into one cart checkout with one click, and that costs the customer $5. The revenue stream will be down the road through advertisements.
Okay, thank you.